Hello students, in this lecture we see examples on the types of relations. So let us see first example. Let set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and relation R is pairs 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4 and 4, 4. So we see whether this relation is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. So see here the all pairs like 1 1, 2 2, 3 3 and 4 4 belongs to R. That means for every element in set A, the pair AA belongs to this relation R. Therefore, this relation R is reflexive relation. Now, for symmetry, since if 1 3 belongs to R, 3 1 does not belongs to R. That means, or any other pair you can take. If 2 4 belongs to R, 4 2 does not belongs to R. That means if any pair AB belongs to R, it does not implies that BA belongs to R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. Next, if we see that 1 3 belongs to R, 3 4 belongs to R, but 1 4 does not belongs to R. That means if XY belongs to R, YZ belongs to R, but XZ does not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not transitive. So, in this way, we can check whether the given relation is symmetric, transitive or reflexive. See next example. Let S be set of all straight lines in a plane. Let R is relation defined as R is equal to set of all pairs AB such that A is parallel to B, where A and B belongs to set S. Now show that R is an equivalence relation. So here we have given set of straight lines, all straight lines in a plane, and relation is defined as there is a relation between two straight lines if they are parallel to each other. So first we check whether the relation R is reflexive or not. So since every straight line is parallel to itself, therefore A is parallel to A. Therefore AA belongs to relation R. For all A belongs to set S. Therefore relation is reflexive. Second, since A is parallel to B, then B is also parallel to A. Therefore, if AB belongs to R, this implies that BA also belongs to R. Therefore, R is symmetric. Again, for transitivity, if A is parallel to B and B is parallel to C, then we can say that A is also parallel to C. That means if AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, this implies that AC belongs to R. Therefore, we can say that R is transitive. Thus, relation R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Therefore, R is an equivalence relation. Next, let us take L is a set of all straight lines in a plane and define relation T on L as where xy belongs to relation T if and only if x is perpendicular to y. Then show that T is not an equivalence relation. Now, as in previous example, here also set of all straight lines in a plane, but a relation is defined as two straight lines are related to each other if they are perpendicular to each other. So, for reflexivity, since every straight line is not perpendicular to itself, therefore xx does not belongs to T for all x belongs to L. Therefore, T is not reflexive. Similarly, for symmetry, let xy belongs to T, that means x is perpendicular to y. Then y is also perpendicular to x, that means yx belongs to T. Thus, xy belongs to T implies that yx belongs to T. Therefore, T is symmetric relation. Again, for transitivity, let xy belongs to T and yz belongs to T. That means x is perpendicular to y and y is perpendicular to z. Then we can say that this x is parallel to y, but x is parallel to z, but x is not perpendicular to z. xy belongs to T, yz belongs to T, but xz does not belongs to T. Thus, relation R is reflexive. Symmetric and not transitive. Hence, T is not an equivalence relation. Thus, we can prove that any relation, whether it is equivalent relation or not. So we stop here.